City Mayor Wilfredo Rex Cuba Oliva. Arriba Iriga! Joining Mayor Rex Oliva are our department heads and heads of offices of the city government of Iriga. So kaway-kaway naman po, happy Tinapa Festival to our department heads and heads of offices. Yan, so kagagwapuan, kagaganda ng ating department heads. And syempre, joining and following them is the bull cart of the city mayor, Mayor Wilfredo Rex Oliva, with its vibrant set of tagbag.
Let us also welcome our regional director from the Department of Tourism, Director Herbie Abad, together with the tourism staff. Hello and welcome to Iriga City.
Yes, and syempre sumusunod, maski ro, pwedeng dispensaran kapag tabang ang serbisyo. Vice Mayor Esther Serrano Hibaiwa.
Along with Vice Mayor Esther Serrano, our esteemed members of the Sangguniang Panlungsod of Iriga City, of course we have Honorable Santos Aunan.
We have Consi Melvin Morallo Asanza, Consi Jesse Good Abunite Jr., Consi Andrea Nahario Abunite, Consi J.M. Grimaldo,
Consi Jeff Tino, Consi Wilfraco, Man of Action Ibarra, and Honorable Buboy Villanueva. We also have with us Honorable Nikki Katuban Lagrimas and Honorable Angelica Paolo Vargas.
Yes, so palakpakan natin ang ating honorable city councilors of the Sangguniang Panlungsod ng Iriga.
And also approaching the city ceremonial consent comes from the Council Major together with the Council Marching Band. And followed by the Council Cultural Performers and Meron Tinsel Exhibition headed by Sir Fix Agravante. O mga taga-Iriga, palakpakan naman po natin the Council Cultural Performers.